EXPAC is a dedicated export company that services the Pacific Islands, including Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, Fiji and Noumea. Papua New Guinea is our main area of our business. So we supply a large range of automotive parts and heavy vehicle parts directly to workshops in New Guinea, and then for our own sites. So we have a large fleet of vehicles, passenger vehicles through to heavy vehicles, through to buses. So we support them from down here as well. The products are many and varied. Anything from general spare parts, a huge range of construction materials, anything from electrical fit outs, lights, cable tray, through to plumbing products, right down to your toilets, your sinks, your taps, your basins. So yeah, it's a huge variety. So we containerise everything here. It is then logistically taken care of by the girls here who look after PCS and shipped to the wharf. So anything urgent that our clients require will be sent via air. That's a daily service that we offer. There's some big investments in air freight to get the goods over there to support their products and keep the machines moving. Torquepower have always been my first choice for Cummins support. The guys are experienced, they're helpful, their response time is the best in the industry. Torquepower support us and they understand our business, which is also important because a lot of companies don't get the fact that our clients are in a remote area in Papua New Guinea and don't have the ability to go down to the local garage or local Bunnings to pick up bits and pieces if our parts are wrong or if our parts don't turn up on time. So there's pressure and they understand that and they support us very well. Yeah.